DJI might be the leading giant in the drone industry, but they're quietly becoming a force in the camera market too. From the Pocket series to the Action line, they've shown they know what creators need. Now, whispers of their next move, the OSMO 360, are spreading through the tech world. Could this be their bold step into 360-degree filming? While GoPro has dominated this space, DJI's track record of innovation makes this rumored release particularly interesting. Today, we'll discuss its rumored design, specs and features, and a potential release date. So, let's start. DJI's leaked schematics show a thoughtful approach to 360-degree capture. The compact body houses dual lenses with a landscape-oriented display, a design choice focusing on usability. The strategic microphone placement suggests an emphasis on professional-grade audio capture, while the side-mounted battery compartment indicates quick-swap functionality for extended shoots. Drawing from their Hasselblad partnership, the lens design likely incorporates premium optics for superior image quality. Their signature minimalist aesthetic remains, with weatherproof construction and ergonomically placed controls that should feel familiar to existing DJI users. The FCC filing reveals advanced wireless connectivity through dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth systems. While the GoPro Max 2 is rumored to focus on cooling solutions, DJI's approach emphasizes larger sensors for superior low-light performance, likely exceeding the current 5.3K resolution standard, potentially reaching up to 8K resolution. The camera will incorporate professional features including SMPTE timecode support, external microphone compatibility, and seamless wireless audio integration. Built-in waterproofing seems certain, following DJI's recent focus on action-ready devices. The dual-lens system, powered by DJI's advanced image processing, promises impressive depth perception and spatial awareness. Additional specs likely include high-speed data transfer, dual-screen functionality, and extended battery life optimized for continuous recording, addressing common user complaints about 360 cameras. Drawing from their drone expertise, DJI appears to be integrating advanced flight-inspired tracking algorithms and their renowned stabilization technology. Its experience with the OSMO Action series suggests enhanced audio processing capabilities and sophisticated shooting modes. We can anticipate features like AI-powered subject tracking, dynamic horizon leveling, and advanced time-lapse capabilities. The combination of Hasselblad's optical expertise and DJI's stabilization tech hints at exceptionally smooth footage with superior color accuracy. The camera's compatibility with existing DJI accessories could unlock creative possibilities unique to their ecosystem. While Insta360 leads with mature software and GoPro dominates brand recognition, DJI's expertise in stabilization and hardware innovation could give them an edge. Their challenge lies in matching Insta360's refined editing software and GoPro's user-friendly interface. However, DJI's record of rapid iteration and strong build quality positions them well. The integration with its existing ecosystem of drones and gimbals could offer unique creative possibilities that neither competitor currently provides. DJI's focus on larger sensors and low-light performance might also appeal to creators who prioritize image quality over maximum resolution. Based on DJI's typical post-FCC filing patterns, fans can expect an announcement within 4-6 weeks, perfectly timed for holiday shopping. The September testing dates indicate final production stages are underway. Given DJI's competitive pricing strategy and market positioning, the OSMO 360 will likely launch around $499, maintaining its value-focused approach. The timing appears particularly strategic, especially considering the continued absence of the GoPro Max 2 in the market. Pre-orders could open immediately following the announcement, with retail availability expected before December 2024, capitalizing on the holiday season demand. The DJI OSMO 360 seems promising to make a significant impact in the 360-degree camera market. With its dual-lens design, professional-grade features, and integration with DJI's existing ecosystem, it could offer creators an excellent alternative to current market leaders. While questions remain about its software capabilities, DJI's track record of innovation and competitive pricing strategy suggests they've done their homework. At $499, it would hit a sweet spot between affordability and professional features. Still, we should remember that most of this information is based on rumors and speculations. But as we await the official announcement in the coming weeks, one thing is clear: the 360-degree camera market is about to get more interesting. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more contents like this.